Today's topic for discussion is, what is premium keyword and how to add premium keywords? If your product is not going well, then don't delete it, relist it with a new SKU. Visit keywordtool.io and then choose the marketplace, etc. After that, enter the main keyword of your particular product. Once you enter the main keyword of your product, you will find a list of keywords related to that particular product. Copy the list of that unique keywords, and then go in your Seller Central. Then click on Advertisement, and then go in Campaign Manager. Then click on Create Campaign. Then select Sponsored Products. Select Manual Targeting from Targeting. Then go and enter List. In Keyword Targeting, paste that list of keywords you have copied from IO website for that particular product. If any keyword having any brand name, then please delete that keyword or brand name. Then click on Add Keywords. Once you have added the keyword, then find out the keyword that is most expensive from that list. Because according to Amazon algorithm, that keyword will be the most demanding keyword or most searched keyword. Select that keyword. Such keywords are called premium keywords. Then again go in your Seller Central. Then Inventory. Then in Manage Inventory. Then click on Edit. On that particular product or listing, then click on Keywords section. Enter that premium keywords you have selected already in search terms. Then click on Save and Finish. If you find it informative, then share it with others.